Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pay in installments on Amazon. This is a great way to manage larger purchases by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable payments over time. Let's dive into the process and explore the different ways you can set this up. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on Amazon's homepage where you can start shopping for what you need. Now navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and type in your desired product. Hit enter or click the search icon to see the results. You'll be presented with a list of products matching your search. Take your time browsing through the options and click on the product that catches your eye. Once you're on the product page, you'll likely see options to customize your selection. Select your preferred color, size, or any other variations available for that item. This ensures you're getting exactly what you want before moving forward with payment options. Here's where it gets interesting. Right beside the price of the item, you might see an option that says select from 2 plans. This gives you quick access to financing options like Affirm or the Amazon Visa card. If you're comfortable with one of these options, click Select to choose either Affirm or Amazon Visa, then click Confirm Plan. This sets up your installment payment immediately. After that, simply click Buy Now to complete your purchase using the selected payment plan. However, if you want to see more details about your order or if you're not satisfied with the Affirm or Amazon Visa card options, there's another route you can take. In the right panel of the product page, click Add to Cart instead of Buy Now. Adding items to your cart first is actually quite important because it provides a full view of your order total, including taxes, shipping, and any other items you might want to purchase together. This complete cart review is what determines your eligibility for installment payments on Amazon. The Buy Now button often skips this step, which can hide or limit installment options until you reach checkout. After adding your item to the cart, click on Cart in the upper right corner of the page. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can review everything you've added. If you have multiple items in your cart and only want to check out certain ones, uncheck the boxes next to the items you don't want to purchase right now. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Proceed to Checkout in the right panel. On the checkout page, look under Payment Method. Here you'll need to select or add a credit or debit card that supports installment payments, such as those linked to Affirm or Amazon monthly payments. Make sure the card you choose is eligible for this type of payment plan. Next, look for the monthly payments or Pay in 4 option that appears for eligible orders. Click on this option to expand and view the installment details. You'll be able to choose your preferred payment plan, whether that's 3, 6, or 12 months. Take a moment to review the terms carefully, including any interest or fees that might apply to your chosen plan. If prompted, enter or confirm your card details to proceed. You'll also need to authorize the first payment to get the installment plan started. Once everything looks good and you've verified the installment schedule, click Place Your Order to finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully set up installment payments on Amazon, making it easier to afford the products you need without paying everything up front. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.